Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever it is you're watching this from. I'm Oluwa Falakemi. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you can get notification the moment I drop new videos. And whatever suggestions and questions you have, drop them in the comment section below. I'll respond to all of them. What you require to get this done, your calico, your mannequin, all of that. Let's get started. Dart manipulation. This whole thing is just about taking the dart from the conventional point to some other point, some other part of the bodice. So I lighten the tip of your bust, create a curve connecting the two tips, then create another curve from the neckline to one of the tip of the bust. Then join all of the points with a line. Preferably a curvy line. Cut through. Place it on your plain fabric. Then add your seam allowance. You can decide to use half of a centimeter or 1 centimeter, whichever one is good. But whatever it is you're using, please make sure that is what you'll be sewing so that you don't have excess that tend up to become a bulge at the later end. So you go fix your zipper into it and you're done. Let's fix it on a mannequin and see what it looks like. Yeah, there it is. As you can see, there are no dart line on the waist anymore, yet we have a cup effect. Let's try opening the zip. There you have it. Then close it back. I hope this was helpful. Thank you very much for your time. See you in the next video.